Now let's do the first part. We are going to split the feet and sit in Aravandi position. Lift up your foot. Kamalalaya Shri Devi Paripavara Karuna. Like that. Now the deem tana, that part starts. Okay, that you can refer to the original video because we have already seen it. So I'm going to turn back and show you the legs first, and then we are going to do hands. So sit in Aravandi position, as I mentioned. Kick straight, diagonally, vertically up. Make sure that you don't turn your body up, and Pratyalida. So Pratyalida is basically you take a flat foot and the other foot is on your heel. Okay. Now from here we are going to jump, cross. Okay. Now pick up your right foot forward and turn it back and cross it. So when you are picking up, let me face here and show it to you. So when you pick up, don't rise and fall. Okay, be in the same position. Use your core and turn your foot and place it here. Alright, so you placed it over here. Okay, now there are two options for you for the next movement. One is you can just tap and tap, tap and tap, and the other option is 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So your choice. Now let's learn the hands. So I'm now going to do exactly the mirror. So I'm going to use this side hand of yours, Alapadma, this, and the other hand Kataka Mukha. So open it straight, open. Alright, then my down hand will go this. So ring finger, her little finger and the thumb has to go on the shoulder, and the other hand over here. Okay, so it's going to be Deem Tana. So when you are doing that, you are going to do the upper body movement. Deem Tana. Now Deem Tana. For that, Deem Tana. You are just simply going to take down hand up in Alapadma. Deem Tana. Okay. Then Chatura. Again the first position. Kapitha on by your ears we are going to do, and then slight the wrist movement. Okay. We discussed about it that this should not go up and down. This should be just like that. 1 2. Okay, so the other side also. Now let's do the whole thing. Okay, slowly. Deem Tana, Deem Tana. Now only like Chatura, de. Okay, till here. Now from here again we are going to do the leg first. We are going to cross diagonally like that. Stamp. 1 2 3 4. The fourth one is really very quick. 1 2 3 4. With the hands we discussed, ring finger has to be bended, Tripataka, and we are going to go 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. Now right hand up, left hand down. You can do it other way around also, as in the book of the ancient dances you can do it the other way also, right? So now from here we are going to sit in Aravandi position again. Let me go a little bit back so if you can hear my you can see my feet. So here, and then pick up and point diagonally up. Okay, so not this and this. Okay, diagonally up. Ready? 1 2 from here. 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4. First right and then left. Okay. Now your left foot will turn back and it will go straight back on your toes. Okay, my feet, my left foot is basically facing you. While doing this, right hand 3 pataka and left hand just pataka. Okay, so we are going to open it like that. So once you did this, ta ta tak thing me. Okay, you reached it over here. Now from here we are going to do this movement. While doing this movement, we are going to again use this. So let me come in the center to show it to you. So we did ta 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 ta, and then ta 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 ta. Pick up your left foot. Okay, so you reached here. We reached, correct? So from here we did ta 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 ta. Left foot is up. Now from here we are going to walk back 1, 2, and then walk, walk. So basically I'm jumping a slightly I'm jumping. So I'll just come to the center and show it to you again. So we picked up left, walk back, and then 1, 2. So while walking back, we are going to use this and this. Okay, so you are going to say 1, 2, 3, 4 and join your hands, 5, 6, and then turn. How? Let me see, let me show. Okay, so we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then ta 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 ta. So actually you are going to turn and come to the center. Once we reach here, we are going to jump towards the right and back cross, left and back cross. So 1, 2 and jump in front and sit in Muramandi. Full sitting. Okay, hands are going to go like slightly to the left, then to the right, then to the center. Okay, so the whole thing will look like ta 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 and front. Now from here we are going to place one character to this side and the other character this side. Again I'm going to say this, that I'm going to do a mirror. So the demon, the Mahishasura story, Mahishasura Mardini story, we are going to depict over here. So Mahishasura we are going to show it this side, and goddesses we are going to show it this side.